The Paris 2024 Summer Olympics, the thrill of the race, athletes pushing their bodies to the limit. What fuels this incredible display of speed and endurance? It's all thanks to proteins, the building blocks of our bodies. Explore the science behind the speed, the proteins powering every stride. Imagine a runner poised at the starting line, muscles tense. When the pistol fires, a signal triggers a chain reaction in their muscle fibers. This process, muscle contraction, is driven by specialized proteins. These proteins enable athletes to defy gravity and shatter records. Remember the molecular ballet beneath the surface, a testament to human biology and the power of protein. Let's meet the key players in this protein-powered performance: actin and myosin. Picture actin as a long, thin filament, like a cellular rope. Myosin is a thicker filament with a unique shape. Imagine it as a golf club with two heads. These two proteins work together in a remarkable way. The myosin heads bind to the actin filament, forming cross bridges. These cross bridges pull the actin filaments closer, causing the muscle fiber to contract. This generates the force needed for movement. We've seen how calcium ions are essential for triggering muscle contraction, but did you know they're equally important for muscle relaxation? Enter calcium ATPase, another vital protein in this intricate dance. Once a muscle has contracted, it needs to relax to prepare for the next movement. This is where calcium ATPase comes into play. This protein acts as a calcium pump, actively transporting calcium ions back into a storage compartment within the muscle fiber called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. As calcium ions are removed from the muscle fibers, troponin releases its grip on tropomyosin. This allows tropomyosin to slide back into its blocking position, preventing further myosin binding to actin. The muscle fiber then relaxes, ready for the next round of contraction. It's a continuous cycle of contraction and relaxation, precisely controlled by the interplay of these proteins and calcium ions. The supporting cast maintaining muscle structure and alignment. While actin and myosin take center stage in muscle contraction, other proteins play crucial supporting roles. Think of them as the stage crew ensuring the smooth operation of this cellular performance. Titin, the largest known protein in the human body, acts like a molecular spring. It spans from one end of the muscle fiber to the other, providing elasticity and helping the muscle return to its original length after contraction. Nebulin, another giant protein, acts as a ruler, regulating the length of actin filaments and ensuring their proper alignment within the muscle fiber. Then there's Dystrophin, a protein that links the internal muscle fiber structure to the surrounding connective tissue. This link is crucial for transmitting the force generated by muscle contraction to the tendons, which in turn move our bones. Without dystrophin, muscles would be weak and prone to damage. These structural proteins might not be directly involved in the contraction cycle, but their contribution is just as important for maintaining muscle integrity, preventing injuries, and enabling smooth, powerful movements. Myoglobin's oxygen boost, fueling endurance. Oxygen is the lifeblood of our muscles, especially during strenuous exercise. When we push our bodies, muscles need a constant supply of oxygen to produce the energy required for contraction. That's where myoglobin comes in, a protein with a special talent for oxygen storage. Myoglobin is found in muscle cells, where it acts as a tiny oxygen reservoir. It binds to oxygen molecules delivered by the blood, holding onto them until the muscle needs them for energy production. This becomes particularly important during intense exercise when oxygen demand is high. Think of myoglobin as an oxygen bank for muscle cells, providing a readily available reserve to fuel those energy-hungry contractions. Athletes with higher levels of myoglobin, like long-distance runners, have an advantage in endurance events, as their muscles can access oxygen more efficiently, delaying fatigue and enhancing performance. Creatine kinase, the quick energy catalyst. Muscle contraction requires a constant supply of energy, and that energy comes from a molecule called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. But ATP is like a quick burst of fuel. It gets used up rapidly during intense activity. So how do muscles replenish ATP quickly enough to keep up with the demands of exercise? The answer lies in creatine kinase, an enzyme found in muscle cells. Creatine kinase acts as a facilitator, helping to rapidly regenerate ATP from another high-energy molecule called creatine phosphate. Think of it as a quick recharge station for ATP. During short bursts of intense exercise like sprinting, creatine kinase plays a crucial role in maintaining ATP levels, providing the immediate energy needed for those explosive movements. It's this rapid ATP regeneration that allows athletes to unleash their full power and speed in short-duration, high-intensity events. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of proteins that power our Olympic athletes. From actin to ATPase, each protein plays a unique role in making every stride, jump, and sprint possible. As we celebrate the incredible performances at the Paris Olympics, let's also acknowledge the amazing science that enables these feats of human achievement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.